How to fix fail to accept family invite on Steam. Now, this is very quick and easy. So usually the general troubleshooting steps is you'll have to be on the same household. So that's your second option thing to do. You just gotta go ahead and borrow your friend's account, log it in on your PC or laptop from your friend's account, and from there you just have to re-invite yourself again. To do so, go into the Steam icon, go into settings, family, and then here click on create or join a Steam family. From here you just need to either to join a family or to create a family if you are creating the server or the channel, and that's it. That's the very basic troubleshooting step for you to be able to fix failed on accepting family invite on Steam.